What day is it? It's Tuesday. I'm hungry. I had an apple yesterday. Wow, there's an orange. Yummy. What day is it? It's Wednesday. I'm hungry. I had an orange yesterday. Wow, a tomato. Yummy. What day is it? It's Thursday. I'm wake up. It's Friday. Sorry. Friday is for wow. I can fly. I can fly. Wow, beautiful. Hello, Peter. Look, haha, you're friends? Yes, they are my friends. How old are you? I'm 7 years old. 7 years old. 7 years old. Wow, a talking bird. How cute. How cute. How cute. No, you're not cute. You're not cute. You're not cute. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 4. He's cute. Oh no. Hi Hook, how old are you? Look, a bear. A baby bear. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm Hansel. I'm Gretel. I'm wow. Look, many cakes. How many cakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cakes. Oh no, they are my cakes. How many cakes? 1, 2, 3,